Fetch Rewards gives you points by scanning eligible receipts, so the best time to scan is as soon as possible after your purchase. By the end, you'll know when to scan receipts, how to avoid missing points, and what steps to take if a receipt does not work. The easiest habit is scanning your receipt right after you finish shopping. Waiting too long can make it easier to forget about purchases or lose track of which receipts still need to be submitted. Open Fetch Rewards after every shopping trip and upload your receipt while the details are still available. You should also check that your receipt meets Fetch Rewards requirements before scanning. Receipts need to contain readable purchase information so the app can process them correctly. If the receipt image is unclear, retake the photo with better lighting and make sure the full receipt is visible. Another good time to scan is after checking your current Fetch Rewards offers. Some purchases may qualify for additional points through available offers in the app. Before scanning, open the offers section and check whether any items you bought match the available promotions. This helps you avoid missing extra earning opportunities connected to your purchases. You should also scan receipts from supported retailers and purchases that qualify for Fetch Rewards points. Not every receipt will earn the same amount of points, and available offers can change. Keeping the app updated also helps make sure you are using the latest version of Fetch Rewards. If a receipt does not scan correctly, check the image quality, update the app, and try submitting the receipt again. If the problem continues, use the support option inside the Fetch Rewards app for help. The best routine is simple. Shop, check your offers, and scan your receipt soon after your purchase. Do not wait until you have a large stack of receipts because it becomes easier to miss one. Open Fetch Rewards after your next purchase and scan your receipt immediately to keep your rewards organized. Subscribe for more cashback app guides, reward program tips, and troubleshooting videos, and like the video if this helped you understand the best time to scan receipts on Fetch Rewards.